Hi. If you have been on lockdown or in self-isolation like me, and you find yourself in an Airbnb that doesn't have a coffee maker or a cafetiere, I'm going to show you how to make one out of a few simple things that you'd have lying around. Take something like this, like a yogurt pot, in this case it's hummus, large enough to fit over a cup, and pierce a couple of holes in the bottom. Careful, it's a sharp knife. In doing this, twist the knife and push downwards so that any liquid will drip out of the bottom of the tub. Then, what I'm going to do is take two simple common or garden J-cloths, or here in Australia they call them chucks, and these are purple and not like the British blue ones, but will do the job every bit as well. So what you want to do is you want to crisscross them. So I'm putting one over the tub this way, and then crossing the other one across the tub that way. And then just ease gently into the tub, keeping all the pressure on the outside, so you end up with a nice smooth bottom like this. And then for a bit of extra security, I'm going to take an elastic band and just put that round the outside of the tub, and that'll keep your chucks or your J-cloths firmly in place. Like this. Then I simply take a cup and place that on top. And then here I have some coffee that I brought from London, which I did declare at border control, that I got in Poundland, and it's a very nice Lavazza Italian medium ground, medium roast. In here I'm just going to place in 2 spoonfuls, 2 level spoonfuls, just for 1 cup of coffee, and then work that into the flat base like this of your tub with your cloths. And then just going to get the kettle here, and then simply I'm going to hold this because I'm lifting it up to the camera. Pour the water on slowly. And for those of you at home, I wouldn't do this so close to my face normally, but this is for demonstration purposes. And maybe you can see inside there it's acting like a normal coffee filter. I'm going to let that work through. It takes about the same time as a normal coffee filter, maybe a little bit faster. I have found if the coffee isn't strong enough, you can pass it through twice. Okay, that's just about done there. I'm going to pop that onto another cup. And there you can see we have the perfect cup of coffee. I hope that's been a useful tip for you. And stay tuned, because tomorrow I'll be showing you how to make homemade sanitizer from rubbing alcohol, distilled water, a little bit of aloe vera gel, and I have several of these, tea tree, lemongrass and lavender, just to add a little bit of scent. Stay in, stay safe, goodbye.